Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. That's the look of get your ass up now. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Nice and cool outside. Whoa, 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 whoa. Another sleepless night. Let's go see what there is to eat. Keeping things simple today. A burrito with leftover steak, some of my rice, some carne asada, homemade salsa, fresh beans, and some cheese. Leave her alone. She's mine. Ay, 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 that's hot. That's our breakfast for today. And some Tazo classic chai latte. Yum, 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 yum. So that is the inside of the burrito. You have a layer of cheese, beans, meat, rice, and Jesus Christ. And a little bit of salsa. And then we roll them up. So Zizi, why do the burritos roll up funny? Well, my dear, thank you for asking. That's because I don't know how to warm a dang tortilla. So I fry the heck out of it. I crispy it up. Now it's all crunchy. But it's still going in my tummy. Hello, my friends. It's now 6 o'clock. No, I didn't just wake up. I've been up for a while. I ran some errands. I did take a nice little nap because my hand is swollen. You see the red spot? Right there. I don't like showing my tongue because I have a long tongue. And then people get the wrong impression, and that's not what I'm about. Because I'm not like that no more. But I'm going to make me something to eat. And then now I'm going to force myself to crochet because yarn is life and crochet is my therapy. And that's really going to... Even if I do like 5 stitches, you know, I need to get in the zone because I've been spending too much time crying and feeling down and depressed. I need a hug so badly. You guys that know me that I'm a hugger, know that I am a hugger. I love hugging. The ones that have hugged me before know that my hugs are 1000% love, kindness, compassion, exhilaration, tingly. I don't know how many people say, oh my god, girl, I got chills. So I haven't hugged anybody and it's just killing me. It's not the same to hug Grandpup. I want to hug an actual person and smell them and just feel them. And I can't do that. Damn virus. So let's make something to eat and then I can finish VEDA number 4. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These are little avocados you find at the market, yeah? Ooh. This is the baby that's growing from my tree. You see the difference? See what I'm talking about? Can you imagine? This is the store-bought. The other ones from my tree are already this big. Ah! I bid you guys adieu. I'm eating some salad with apples and Italian dressing and Catalina, because I like living on the edge, with some pepper and parsley. I also had some tacos, the meat that my son barbecued yesterday, the chicken and the beef. I had 2 chicken, 2 beef. Here is that picture. I crunched up the tostada shells, the taco shells, and I made some homemade guacamole, and it was delicious. It was piece de resistance. So that's it. Vida number 4 in the books. And this is getting out of control. We need a help. I need somebody. Help. Drinking high quality H2O, because that's how I get down. It is so hot. Okay, bye everybody. Love you.